Just at an early hours of the day, the internet began blowing off a really steamy issue. For all the world can make out as the point in time, Kanye is a cheating a-hole and he's been seeing the makeup guru? Yeah, you definitely heard that right. He was reportedly seeing Jeffree Star, but how in heaven's name is that possible? Plus, this is coming the same week as the divorce scandal? Okay, let's back it up a bit so you'll understand this. Earlier this week, the internet got a dose of Kanye West and Kim Kardashian's clan's regular divorce saga, and this time, the divorce being Kim being practically serious about ending the relationship. Most of the headlines read, Kim makes plans to end 7-year marriage to save her own sanity. It seems things have not been going on well between the two right from Kanye's controversial presidential run, as people suggest that it may have pushed her over the edge. Well, it's not like one can blame Kim for being this way, seeing as his bid for political power and explosive Twitter rants came back hurting her and her family. This was the last straw that broke the camel's back. She realized then that she had to end the marriage for the sake of her kids and her own sanity. For those that remained oblivious to this, Page 6 reported that a source distinctively noted the glaring fact that Kim never came out publicly to endorse her husband Kanye. Perhaps her silence to the issue gave her an answer, but who knows? Amongst all stories floating around, it was said that the couple had been living separately for a couple of weeks before this and accusations came of Kim seeing someone else. But that didn't last in the air for long, because days later this happened and it got people wondering if this is supposed to be the reason for the split. It's just the first weeks of the new year, and there's already quite a lot going on. As the rumor began circulating, people got curious as to where the rumor stemmed from, and unsurprisingly, its origin and its influencer community itself, but not specific. We can all give the award to the famous TikToker Ava Louise. In case you were wondering how familiar that name sounds, then you're not in the wrong. This particularly famous TikToker was the mastermind behind the coronavirus challenge parody last year, where she licked an airplane toilet. She's known as an online nuisance who exaggerates the truth all in a bid to go viral, and this makes it all surprising that people decided to believe her this time. On Wednesday, she posted a video on TikTok saying, "A lot of people in the scene, okay, ew, have known about this affair. I can't say who, cause he'll sue me, hint hint, but there's part of the reason that Kanye's so religious now, it's his self-hatred," she wrote in the caption. "My source is legit, I promise." Okay, so regarding legal troubles, people naturally decided that the fingers must be pointing to Jeffree Star. While this was the first gaining popularity on TikTok, it made it to another social media platform, Instagram. The TikTok rumor was picked up by a blind gossip Instagram account under the username Dioxmoy, which reposted the item, adding that they think it's not true, because Star has been dating. A little too convenient for her type of allegation against both stars, but the influencer admitted she had no concrete evidence to back up her claims and alleged that an entertainment lawyer in LA told her. Expectedly, seeing as Jeffrey is not one to cower in fear from scenarios of this magnitude, he struck back. He spoke about the rumors that he had his own affair with Kanye West and why he thinks that he's being implicated. In a 23-minute long video on YouTube, Jeffrey gave the sassy response to the rumor, boldly stating his preference for very tall men, and that he has never even hung out with Kanye and is finding all the speculation really funny. The 35-year-old makeup artist who woke up to find himself being cast as the other man in the relationship between Kim and Kanye confirmed his relationship status. He expressingly said, "Jeffree Star is single and I've never slept with Kanye," while adding that he's not sleeping with anyone at the moment. Jeffrey also stated that he believes the reason why he's being linked to Kanye is that he had left Los Angeles behind to live in Wyoming as well. Well, not that it's not awfully unrelated, but people have to connect the dots, right? Jeffrey said, "I woke up and my phone has been blowing up. And I was like, oh my god, what in the scandal is going on today? I honestly had no idea, right? I'm keeping to myself, I'm living in this beautiful state, Wyoming, I'm loving life." Jeffree Star lives in Wyoming, the same state as where Kanye is living on his ranch. I can't, and then I was like, how did we get to this moment? Like, how would this have been made up? Because we both live in the state of Wyoming? Jeffrey was sure to make it known that he moved to the state so he could launch a new business, and his move had nothing to do with the 43-year-old rapper living there. And while his move is not forever, he said, "It's amazing here. It's the least populated state in all of America, and it's really peaceful and quiet here." He also added that he would be opening a product fulfillment center in that state. Commenting on the source of the rumor, he made reference to a song he released in 2009. He said, "Now I get why people are really laughing about this. because in an old song of mine from 2009 called Bitch Please, I say a line about Kanye, but it was very like Eminem because I mentioned like 50 celebrities and I say a bunch of crazy stuff. And people are going on about that. In a verse fantasizing about different celebs, he sings, "Gave Zac Efron my poker face and left him with chills, and 30H warned me not to trust you hoes. Stuck off Kanye West, now I'm one of the bros." He also took a hit out of what spread the rumor saying, "Y'all have too much time on your hands." One thing, he's very much correct about this. These days, with everyone playing cop, it's quite hard for things to remain hidden once they've been uploaded somewhere. Anywhere, really. People will be sure to dig up receipts of past actions whether you like it or not, because it's the internet and it never forgets. Never. This is the case here, as Star has been gifted receipts of his now deleted tweets. In a tweet from 2011 now deleted, Star did appear to reply to Kanye West. It would have not mattered much any other day, but given the recent developments, deleting that tweet got fans and likers talking, many with raised eyebrows. However, to be fair, the controversial YouTuber used to tweet suggestively at several celebrities, so this shouldn't be that big of a deal. But yeah, people are holding on to that. Before Jeffrey addressed the rumors, he was reportedly seen fueling the speculation as online sleuths insisted they saw hip-hop mogul in the reflection of Jeffrey's sunglasses. Fans have insisted that one of the people in question in Kanye, which further heightened speculation the pair hooked up. The makeup mogul shared a photo of himself with a rainbow-colored hair and wearing a pink dressing robe. Give it to fans to figure something out of the ordinary. Eagle-eyed fans believe that they could see Kanye West in Jeffrey's sunglasses reflection. So what's next? An answer to this question that everyone is waiting for right now. What's Kanye gonna say regarding the rumor, or is he just gonna let this slide as something for the TL? Well, no one knows for sure, at least not right now, but a few things are known. 1. Kim Kardashian West has remained silent on the issue of the affair, on the divorce in general, and surprisingly, on the presidential run. But on TikTok, the chaos is already taking a new life. Why? This is because Ava Louise claims she's being sued by the family and the beauty influencer. Cole Kerrigan is posting his own receipts exposing an alleged relationship with Kanye West. So what do you think about all the drama going on? Are you team Kanye or are you team Jeffrey? One thing's for sure is that no one saw this coming, and the fact that it all happened so early in the morning is quite surprising. But we can always be sure that whoever Jeffrey hangs out with, it's always going to be a little bit of a scandal. So the fact that these little things like Kanye and Jeffrey's small interactions were happening is easy to believe that fans could just make the assumption that something was going on. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear them. And as always, make sure you stay subscribed to our videos for updates and constant reminders. Please turn on post notifications so that you get the latest updates on all of our videos.